Real-world incidents provide the best opportunity for emergency managers to learn from disaster operations. To support this learning, emergency managers collect and analyze data to understand what happened during an incident, why it happened, and the resulting outcomes and effects. And the data analysis informs the development of observations, which summarize key topics and resulting recommended actions. Observation development occurs during the validation phase of the continuous improvement process. In this video, you will learn how observation development drives continuous improvement by considering 4 questions. Why are observations important? What information makes a strong observation? How do you validate observations? And where can I find more information on observation development? Let's start with the first question. Why are observations important? Observations are important because they identify strengths, areas for improvement, potential best practices, and mission-critical issues observed during an incident, identify recommended actions, and provide data-supported findings to support decision-makers. Now, we'll discuss the second question. What information makes a strong observation? There are 4 elements of a strong observation: topic sentence, analysis, desired outcomes and recommended actions, and observation category. The topic sentence presents the topic of the observation, makes a specific assertion or claim, and describes the observed effects. The analysis provides background information and evidence of what happened, why it happened, and if it happened before. Desired outcomes describe the ideal future state, and recommended actions provide the steps for reaching that future state. Each observation is also categorized to allow readers to quickly understand the nature of the observation. FEMA's National Continuous Improvement Guidance defines 4 observation categories: strength, potential best practice, area for improvement, mission critical. Strengths are activities that followed policies or guidance and produced the desired result. Potential best practices are activities that were not defined in policies or guidance, but produced better results than the established approach, or are activities that fill a gap in this approach. Areas for improvement are activities that resulted in outcomes that did not meet expectations. Mission-critical issues are activities that may have significant negative effects and could lead to mission failure, bodily injury, or even loss of life. Now, let's discuss the third question. How do you validate an observation? Once an observation is written, have subject matter experts and data collection participants with knowledge about the observation review the finding to ensure it is accurate. After the experts have reviewed the observation, organizational leadership should review and approve the observation. Leaders can review the observations or set up a working group dedicated to reviewing observations. Once an observation gains leadership and/or working group approval, it can be considered final. The last question we will cover is, where can I find more information on observation development? Chapter 2 of the National Continuous Improvement Guidance covers observation development in more detail. You can find the guidance on the Continuous Improvement Technical Assistance Program website on FEMA's Prep Toolkit. On the same website, you can find other useful templates and resources to support the development of observations as part of an after-action review for a real-world incident. Thanks for watching this video on Incident After-Action Review Observation Development. For more information, please visit the Continuous Improvement Technical Assistance Program website at preptoolkit.fema.gov. Good luck on your continuous improvement journey.